Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner, and this is reason number 4 to buy a home, and that is freedom to make modifications. Now, this particular reason to buy is often sort of overlooked, but it's a huge intangible benefit that once you're in the house, you're going to completely understand and be so grateful for. And that's the fact that if you're renting a house, you can virtually make zero modifications without the landlord's approval. And even if they do approve them, what happens? You're now improving someone else's asset. You don't want to do that, right? So when you buy your own house, you not only could have the luxury to paint it whatever color you want, make any changes you want, but the improvements you make, significant improvements in particular, and upgrades, etc., they add value to your house, and that increases the value and is part of your investment into that property. So yet another reason to buy a house. It's one not to take for granted. It's one that you will certainly enjoy, the freedom to be able to do your own modifications and upgrades. It's something that I've enjoyed as a homeowner, and I'm sure you will as well. As always, please feel comfortable reaching out to me with any questions you may have regarding buying, selling, refinancing, any kind of financial planning. I'm here to help. Thank you so much and have a great day.